Today I'm going to show you how to find products from Amazon in the Temu app. This way you can compare the prices and make your decision. First, open the Amazon app and find a product you want to get cheaper, maybe on Temu. For this tutorial I decided to compare the price for a mobile lavalier microphone. So I'm gonna search for it on Amazon, and you can see here the best deal, which is sold very often, is this one. Once we check the price, €21.24, we are going to make a screenshot of this product. Then we need to close the Amazon app and open the Temu app. On top, next to the search bar, you can see a small camera icon. Just tap on it. This is the image search, so you can take a photo if you have a physical product next to you, or you can just upload the screenshot you just made, which should be in your gallery of your phone. Temu instantly finds similar products, so you can just scroll through and find a product which fits the best for you. You can already see on the prices that this looks much cheaper. For the people who are still watching, I give you a nice tip. If you don't use this Temu image search feature, just look directly for microphone lavalier, use the filter ship from and select local warehouse. This way you can get fast delivery, low custom fees, especially in the current situation in Europe, and these products are already shipped to a local warehouse somewhere in Europe, which usually only happens to products which are already proved to be good. So maybe you can find here the product you are searching for, and you get fast delivery, low custom fees and good quality items. And that's it. Thanks for watching.